Welcome to Grampy's Lionel Trains. We're going to be reinstalling a dummy knuckle coupler head on one of Lionel's 200 series Alco diesel motor trucks. The first thing you want to do is check the bottom mounting tab to make sure it's straight and parallel. That tab sets the height of the coupler, so it needs to be leveled to line up properly with the trailing cars. If it's bent, you want to straighten that bottom tab out first before installing the coupler. With a pair of needle nose pliers, gently bend the top tab up just enough to make room for the knuckle coupler head to slide into place. Make sure the centering spring is orientated the way I'm showing you here. If it's installed backwards, it won't have any tension. This is the correct way to insert the spring so it works properly. This is where you want to take your time. Line up the coupler head so the pivot post on the coupler head fits into the hole on the truck. Once the coupler head is seated, bring the centering spring over the side tabs. This is what locks the spring in place and gives it its proper tension. Now turn the truck over. Next, bend the top tab down on the pivot post on the coupler head to secure it in place. You can use pliers, channel locks, even a small C-clamp. Whatever tool you feel comfortable with. I'm using a pair of pliers and I gently bend the tab down to lock the coupler in place. Using the needle nose pliers, I go back over the top tab of the truck to fine-tune the bend. This lets me make a precise adjustment so the tab sits properly over the coupler head. You don't want to force it, just small adjustments until everything lines up and moves freely. Now you can see the coupler head moves freely and the center spring is doing its job, bringing it back to center. And that's how easy it is to reinstall a coupler head on these 200 series Alco motor trucks. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upcoming video here at Grampy's Lionel Trains. Happy railroading!